Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Ladies and gentlemen, people often have this misconception in their mind that in order to improve their spoken English communication, they will have to study something extra and something unnecessary, which is purely a misconception, ladies and gentlemen. I request all of you, please keep this thought out of your mind. Now, what are the basic methods of learning English? As I have already said in my earlier videos that in order to improve your vocabulary, you need to read large number of English text. In order to understand that how people are actually speaking, you will have to listen to large number of English motivational speakers. And since here in India we are not finding atmosphere of speaking English consistently, we are majorly a Hindi speaking nation. That's why we have to learn some text in English and then speak in front of mirror. Mirror speaking gives us the confidence of speaking in front of strangers. And then there is one more method that while you are speaking, you can record your own voice and then you can compare that voice to established motivational speakers and then you can make necessary changes in your voice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I am saying that read some English text so that you can learn vocabulary, there is no need to read anything extra, anything unnecessary. You are doing BTech in computer science, read books related to BTech in computer science. You are doing pharmacy, read books related to pharmacy. You are doing MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom, read books related to MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom. There is no need to read anything extra. Read your own course books thoroughly. Try to understand each chapter. Try to understand all the concepts that are present in your core books related to your subject. There is no need to read anything extra. Read your own books thoroughly. In any college, we have library. Go to library as much as you can and develop the habit of reading as many books as you can related to your core subject. MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom, B Pharma, D Pharma, whatever you may be doing, ladies and gentlemen. Read books related to that. Your vocabulary will automatically improve. When I say that listen to motivational speakers on YouTube, please listen to English speakers which are related to your core subject. MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom, BTech, whatever you may be doing. There are large number of motivational speakers and teachers on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, who are immaculate English speakers and they are subject matter expert. Some of them are expert in electronics. Some of them are expert in electrical. Some of them are expert in MBA concepts, BBA concepts, BCom concepts. Try to find out such people on YouTube and listen to their English motivational videos. And when I am saying that you have to speak in front of mirror, learn some paragraph, some text of your core book. The subject that you are studying, MBA, BBA, BCA, BCom, whatever, BTech. Whatever subjects you are studying in these different courses. Learn your core concepts thoroughly and then speak in front of mirror. Try to maintain eye contact with your mirror image. It will give you the same impression as if you are talking to some other person. So ladies and gentlemen, please keep this misconception out of your mind that in order to understand spoken English, you have to leave your core subjects. You don't have to leave your core subjects. Whatever techniques I have told you related to improving your English communication skills, they are fine. You must follow those techniques. But while following those techniques, try to make use of your core subjects. Read large number of books related to your core subjects. Your vocabulary will automatically improve. Listen to English motivational speakers related to your core subject. You will automatically come to know that how people talk English in real life situation. And then, as I have just said, as far as speaking is concerned, speak in front of mirror by learning your own core subjects. Learn concepts of your own core subjects and then speak in front of mirror. Automatically your English is going to improve and you will not have to pay extra attention to English speaking. Along with your core subject, along with your core studies, command over English can be gained. It is possible, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I want to say today. And this is the reason why I am making this video today. Please keep this misconception out of your mind that in order to become fluent in spoken English, you have to ignore your core subjects. No, people often have this misconception in their mind. Many students have this misconception in their mind that they will have to leave their core subjects and they will have to devote extra time for learning spoken English. No, there is no need to devote extra time. English is a language, ladies and gentlemen. You need to be proficient over a language. And whatever books we are studying in our core subjects, definitely they have been written in some language, Hindi or English. Your core books are also written in English. So please utilize your core books, utilize your core subjects, and follow the techniques of developing spoken English by utilizing your core subjects. Here, two things are going to happen. Number one, you will gain command over spoken English, and number two, you will become perfect in your core subjects also. So you will gain two benefits at the same time. Please follow this technique and please keep any kind of misconception out of your mind. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.